Alright, what's going on everyone? So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can find $1,000 products, even up to like $10,000 products, and products that are making like $100,000 a month using this crazy, it's called the Facebook graph tool. So if you come into Facebook, what you can do is, if you go into the search bar, alright, I don't want to do that. Let me see. So if you go into the search bar and you can just type in keywords like this, and it's actually going to find these products for you. So imagine you can find a product like this, for example, without using tools like Pexter or stuff like that. You can see they got like 2,000 shares, 1,000 comments, 23,000 likes. And if you go into the actual data, you can see some of these have like 1,000 clicks, 500,000 clicks. Whereas if you're only looking at shares, it's really going to decrease, you know, the actual the ads that you can actually go for, because the shares are not always, it's not always correlated to sales. So because when you run ads, you can actually optimize for link clicks. You can see this one has 500,000 link clicks. Okay, actually let me show you which one that was. So this one you can see has 500,000 link clicks and it's only got 299 shares, whereas this one has 2,000 shares and it's only got 1,500 clicks. You can see it says here my dream store, Queen of February, and this is the other one. So you can see this one's selling for 1,400 RS. I think that's the Indian currency. So you see, this can get pretty good if you know how to use it. Alright, so two main keywords I recommend you use. So when you come in here, you want to go to public posts. Alright, so when you come here, go to posts, go to public, and it's going to show you all these ads. So you can see all these ads, pretty crazy. You can see exactly how many shares they got, comments. So you can see this one has like 2,000 shares. Alright, shop now. This is an ad. See the Christian left, 14,000 likes. So you don't have to use tools. You can come in here and do this all yourself for free as well. If you can't afford the tools, but the tools does make it a little bit easier. But don't forget, you want to check the data for the link clicks. Like I showed you just a second ago, 299 shares, 500,000 link clicks, and the other one has like 1,000 link clicks and it's got like 2,000 shares. Alright, but this is pretty cool anyway. So sometimes people share it because it's cool, not necessarily because they want to buy it. Think about it, last time you actually wanted to buy something, did you share it or did you just click on it and buy it? Yeah, so but this one does have 85,000 likes, so you know, you can see why it's actually, you know, actually getting that traction. So so what you want to do, you want to come in here and type in these keywords in the code. So you can put any keyword you want. I just put buy and then Google. So if you come in here, you can see it's a buy now, and you can put Google if you want, and then sometimes you can change the keywords and write and. So if you want to add another key, you can just put and just type in your other keyword using the quotes, and then just type your word into the quotes, and that way you can actually find all these ads. So you can see this is an ad, by the way. This is a full-on ad, alright, that you can find within Facebook for free. This is not an ad. I don't think this, maybe they ran it as an ad and then they stopped it, but I don't think this is an ad. Let me see how many likes this page got. Yeah, this one's, you know, it probably is an ad. They ran it as an ad and then they stopped it. This is an ad. Alright, so you can see this one's definitely an ad. It's like a book, and 2,100 shares. You can even see who shared it, what kind of people share it, and this is nuts. Alright, that's what I recommend. You come in here, alright, you just type in your keywords and you can find this, and then once you've done that, you want to get these Google URLs, and then what you can do is, so we can see how many. See, this one got 2,000 shares, and when we come in here, actually I can actually type it in. I can find out exactly how many clicks they got. Alright, so that way there's no confusion, nothing like that. I can see exactly how many clicks they got, and I can decide, alright, is this product profitable or not. So 4,500 clicks. Don't forget, this one has 500,000 clicks. You know, this product looks pretty cool. I'm not sure if this is like a custom design, but these are getting a lot of clicks, and this got 500,000 clicks. That's absolutely nuts. I mean, I'm not sure if this is like a design or what this is, but it says free size and semi-stitched. So I'm actually looking into this myself because this is pretty crazy. I mean, it's got 500,000 link clicks, which is nuts, and it's all mainly from Facebook. We've got 300,000 from Facebook. Well, this one's from Facebook as well. From Facebook as well. I'm not sure what IM means. It's probably the instant messenger. And then we've got Instagram. So they're probably running Instagram ads, and probably some from SEO. Right, so this is absolutely nuts. So that's where you want to come in here, so you can see this, and then you want to use, you know, Google Analytics, the analytics data for the URL to find out how many clicks they got and when they got the clicks. So here we can see it's very recent, 9,000 clicks a month, 50,000, 43,000. Alright, we got 72,000 link clicks. Alright, so let's look at some other ones that you might want to look at. So we can see this one here. Queens are born in February. Alright. We got another one here. By here, and then we got these ones. I think this is like toy cars. Okay. You want to look out for the shop now button. So here we go. We got another one. See shop now. 36 shares, 66 comments, 32 likes, maybe 32,000 likes. And now I just want to look at how many clicks this thing got. And then I want to go back down. You can see 36 shares, and then we can decide, alright, how many clicks does this actually get? 2,000 clicks. Not too bad actually. Actually, it's kind of okay. It's not too bad. It's not bad. 166,000. So you do want to take into account how many likes the page has. You want to take that into account. Otherwise, just like because you know 166,000 people looked at it. It's an ad as well, and it's got 32,000 likes, and only 2,000 people clicked on it. I don't know about that. That's probably like an average kind of ad. I wouldn't go for that personally. It's up to you if you do want to go for that. And then we got this one here. I'm not sure if this is an ad or not. Let me see. So I always look at the page likes. 46,000 likes, 9,000 likes. Yeah, it's probably an ad. They probably ran it for a while. Alright, so let's look at this one. So instead of thinking to yourself, alright, I don't know if this is an ad or not, or basically I don't know if this is selling, just come into analytics and you can see it's got 941 clicks. Okay, not too bad. You can come in here, and then this one here has about 500 shares, 11,000 likes. So this is crazy. You can see all these ads for free. You don't have to pay for nothing. Even if you're new to Shopify, or you don't want to spend like $100 a month. I mean, your Shopify plan by itself is really like $50 a month. So if you got to pay an extra $100 just to find these products, it's going to get, you know, crazy expensive, especially if you're starting out. So this is an easy free way you can do it, you know, using Google Analytics, okay, and using the Facebook Graph tool, which is free as well, to basically find these products which you can start using. Alright, if you come in here, you can actually see these other ones, so you can keep going on and on. So here we got super cool products, which is a lighter. Alright, so if you come here, I'm just going to copy this out. So I'm just going to take this product right here, and I'm going to see how many link clicks this lighter had. So I'm going to leave that one open, because so one of the main things I probably look at is like link clicks, because shares are all cool, but if no one's clicking on the ad, it's like, oh, what's the point? I mean, you're getting shares, but like no one's clicking on the ad. So I mean, think about it. Do you want shares or do you want clicks? So I just look at clicks, and so far I can see this one's got 900. This one has 500,000 clicks. Alright, so people actually clicking on it to find out more. This one's not too bad. I'm at 266. Got 5,000 likes. Not too bad. Alright, so this is not too bad. This seems like an average kind of ad. And we got this one here. This is like a jumper. February is my birthday month. February gifts, cakes, and whenever you like. Well, I'm not going to look at that one. Let me see actually. Yeah, let's just check it out. So remember, you just want to copy and paste it and just put .info right at the end, and it's going to give you the all-time day, and it's going to show exactly where the traffic comes from. You want to make sure you check the traffic source, so you can see it's coming from Facebook and not from like Google search or YouTube or something like that. So, and the way you do that is you just come in here, you just check here, and you can see it's from Facebook. So it's all from Facebook. Let's see this one here. 1,500 clicks. This one's not too bad. This is not too bad at all. February is my birthday month. 12,000 likes. That's nuts. So where is it? 1,500 likes. That's not too bad. And it's all coming from Facebook, so you don't have to worry about. And it's actually mobile.facebook. So you might want to think about it. It's coming from Android. So if you were running ads for this, you probably want to run ads to Android, Chrome, and you want to do it for mobile. Okay, and then you probably want to go for. Alright, so this one's getting clicks from India. Yeah, so you also want to look at countries. I mean, these other countries are doing pretty decent. We can see United States, but this one's getting it from India, so I'm not too sure about that. I don't know if people from those kind of countries actually buy stuff, or they just click on stuff. So yeah, I'm not too sure if this is legit. So you do want to check like the countries to see if it's actually legit, if it's going to work in United States, because if you're getting clicks like from these countries, sometimes they use bots and all that kind of stuff. So you definitely want to keep that into account before you start running ads. So we got 10 clicks there, 7, 7, 6. Yeah, I'm just gonna exit out of that. In fact, I think one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose a location. Let me just choose a location. So let's just go for, I don't know, Texas. Alright, we got some stuff. We got so yeah, I'm not sure you can actually find. It doesn't let me choose like America. Let's go for New York. So we got some stuff in New York. Alright, we got some stuff. So discounts. We got location based ads. But they are running ads to it, to particularly people in New York. So I don't think you can choose countries though, unless you choose cities. But I don't think you can choose countries. If you can, someone let me know how to do it. I'll definitely check that out. But for now, I don't think you can choose countries. United States. Nope. It doesn't let me choose a country, but if that ever does come out, that's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be really good, because you can charge choosing countries to be able to really narrow it down. Yeah, you get the idea. Just type in your keywords here, find these, get the shares, get the likes, you get the they get the link, put a .info, check the analytics, check the time frame when the clicks came, check the referrers, check the browsers, check the platforms, check the countries. Alright, and make your ad around that. Okay, and then find the supply. The way you find the supply is you get the picture, save into your computer, and do a reverse image search. Okay, hope that makes sense. It's not too hard. You can definitely do this. Leave a comment, this helped you out, and just follow me on my social channels. I've got links in the description. All links on the description anyway. If you join in my affiliate links, you get to join my coaching groups. I've got like 100 people in there now, but so if you join the links, you get that. So yeah, so leave a comment, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and speak soon.